Welcome back for another video. Dear friends, today we have a small challenge and I'm gonna give 20 words in Pashto and my children will guess in answer in English and stay with us so you will see who will be the winner. And I want to say it in Pashto as well. Assalamu alaikum algaro. نن یو وړه مقابله لرو زه به شل لغاته ماشومانو ته ورکوم په پښتو کې او دوی به سوچ پې کوي او ما ته به واپس جواب په انګلیسي راکوي او موږ سره پاتې شئ چې رزلټ نتایج هم وګورئ چې څوک به یې ګټي د خیره سره. Okay, my words will be based on general knowledge and guys, I will give you enough time to answer my question, okay, to guess the word. If you win, every answer has, the correct answer has 1 point.
Okay.
We have 4 rounds. In each round is 5 words. Okay. So I will give you enough time to answer. Okay. Round 1. Number 1. Miss.
Oh.
Yeah, go. Okay. Sajad got 1 point.
That was an easy one.
Okay. Number 2. Gwal.
I know.
Oh my.
Amir, you don't know it?
I know.
Gwal.
Well.
Wow! Amir got 1 point. Amir got 1 point. Well done, Amir. Number 3. Kafka.
Pigeon.
Well done. Muhammad got 1 point as well. Number 4. Shama.
I know. Sun.
No.
Slide.
Soap.
No.
It's a lie.
Amir Shama.
Shama?
Chistawai pahtu
I think it's like.
Food.
No. 0.
What was it?
Candle.
No.
Yes. Okay. 0, 0, and 0. Okay. Number 5. Darwaza.
Oh, I don't know.
I thought.
Me. I think. Oh.
Amir. Darwaza chistawai bachu?
Candle.
No.
Me.
Yeah.
I think it's.
5 seconds. No.
Oh.
1,
I'm just gonna guess sofa.
2.
I'm just gonna say go sofa.
No. Darwaza means door.
Oh.
So got 0, 0, Amir 0.
It's actually so
Okay.
hard.
So round 1. Now round 2.
Okay.
Puza.
Me. Nose.
Go on. Well done. Muhammad got point.
What?
Number 2. Sar.
Me.
Chishita bhai bachu.
It's lion.
No line to no way. Sar.
Me.
Um,
Watch.
No. 1,
No.
2,
Already guessed.
Sofa?
3. No.
Why
0.
do I keep-
Sar.
Why do I keep
Head.
Oh.
0,
It's so hard.
0, and okay. Yeah. Number 3. Veena. Veena.
Winner.
Huh?
Winner.
Nah.
Uh,
Veena in Pashto. What you call it in English?
Table.
Nah. Amir Veena.
Vina.
Veena means blood. So 0,
That was really tricky.
0, and 0. Okay.
Yeah.
Number 4. Zra.
Oh.
Is it hot?
Yes.
Yes.
So Sajjad number 1, Muhammad 0, Amir 0. Number 5, last.
Me.
I know.
Me. Hand.
Well done.
Oh.
So Sajjad 0, Muhammad 1, Amir 0. Okay, round number 3.
Me.
Round number 3 is
Me.
Dwulas.
I know.
Go.
It's either 12 or 2.
Oh.
I'm gonna say 12.
You have to guess
I'm gonna
one.
say 12.
Okay.
I guess
No,
20.
he's right. So
Is it
Sajjad got
Right, you're right.
1. Okay. Amir. Number 2, Dersh.
I know.
That is
he doesn't.
يلا بابا سمكينا ما تجاوبون راكب ديرش.
Fish.
No
I think
fish.
I know.
No fish. I'm telling there she's telling me fish. That's funny. Okay, Ella.
20.
No.
10.
Dersh. No. Dersh means 30. So 0, 0,
Wait.
0.
If 10 and 20, that would have made 30.
Yeah, that would
My
make
answer was
30.
six also.
But if you come together, yes. Okay. Pinzer wished.
I know. He said first.
55.
No.
I was going to say 55.
Amir Pinzer
Give me a
wished.
chance. I'm going to say
1,
15.
2. No. Pinzer wish means 25.
I was going to say 25.
0, 0, and 0. Okay, number 4. Später. Später.
I think 16.
No.
Tree.
Später.
Is that
And you
It's
Später?
only a musical lesson.
No.
What was that?
He said picture.
Später means 60. So 0,
60.
I
0.
voted tree, not
And
even
zero.
a number.
Okay. Number 5. Sul. Sul.
I'm just going to guess 100.
Well done. So that got the
That was
point.
a total yes.
0 Muhammad, Amir 0. Okay guys, now we are heading to round number 4, the final round. Okay? Try the best to answer the question.
What's the-
Guess
okay.
the words correct, okay? Okay. Number 1. Waha. Everyone like it. Me like the most. Bombsy like it.
Me.
Well done. Bombsy like the meat man. I love meat. Okay. Bombsy like meat. Muhammad number 1. Sajad 0. Amir 0. Okay, number 2. Murchak. Murchak. Murchak.
I'm going to say
Okay,
chicken
I'm
or grilled
gonna
chicken or something like that. I know.
I'm gonna answer. Murchak.
This bed.
Wow! He answered
Chili.
Chili. Murchak
I
means
was
chili.
chicken.
No, chili. Okay, Amir got finally one another point. Sajad 0, Muhammad 0. Okay, number 3. Alugan.
I don't know.
I'm gonna
Alugan.
have a go.
Huh?
Horse.
Horse.
Yeah.
Nope. Alugan.
I don't know.
Yakachalu.
Oh, wait,
Alugan.
which is the one?
Yakachalu. Both has the you know, the, you can call it anything. Chisha means alu. Alugan. Kachalu.
Is it chicken?
Potato. Amir got another point. Okay, alugan means potato. Yakachalu. Okay, piaz.
Me.
Go.
Banana.
And this is common sense thing. When I'm in vegetable, he's going to Oh my god. Okay, what do you call it? Piaz.
Piaz.
I mean piaz.
You have to start the timer, I think, now.
1, 2, 3,
Carrot.
4, 5,
Okay, I'm reading
No.
this now.
0, Sajad, 0,
What was it?
Muhammad, 0.
Don't tell me
We
it's
call it
cucumber.
onion.
Oh, onion.
Okay. Final word from the 20. Okay?
Yeah.
Round number 4, last final word is badrang.
Are we staying on the theme of vegetables?
Is a badrang. In English, it is too long.
Me.
And you like it.
Cucumber.
Well done. What you call it? Still have chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're loser. Muhammad got point.
Yes. Wait.
Okay, friends. Now I'm gonna count the points and I will tell you guys who won the channel. What you call challenge? I mean, sorry guys, challenge. Okay, one from round number 1, Sajjad has 1 point. From round number 2, Sajjad has another point. That's 2. From round number 3, he has 2 points. That's 4. From round number 5, Sajjad's all wrong. So Sajjad in total 4 points he has.
That's not even good enough.
It's not good enough. Try the best for next time. We will keep doing this one. Okay, Muhammad. Round number 1 he has 1. In round number 2 he has 2. In round number 4 is all 0. In round number round number 3 he has all 0. In round number 4 he has 2. So in total he has 5 points.
Yes, I'm in the lead.
Okay, Amir. Amir in round number 1 he has 1 point. In round number 2 he has 1 point. In round number 3 is all 0. In round number 4 he has 2 points. Which make
He got
4
the same
points.
as me.
That means I win.
His Pashto is more stronger than you guys. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, sure.
Amir, okay, look. Amir, where is my puza?
Dear.
Wow.
That's how you
Okay,
read.
Amir, where is my starga?
Dear.
The starga cheta.
Wow.
Ima khula cheta, the khula.
Dear.
Dakhul tanda do. Khayo machuraka. Amir is the winner, but now give me machuraka. Just machuraka. Allah. Okay, guys. I'm gonna announce the result now. The result is the winner will be Muhammad because he has 5 points. Number 2nd is Amir. He has 4 points. And number 3rd is Sajjad. But still better than me. I don't have any points. He has at least 4. Okay. Shall we say bye to friends?
Yeah.
Wait. Before we end the video, make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to smash the notification button.
We
We love you
We love you all.
Bye.